Hello everybody, how's it going? We'll have today problem number 19. Problem number 19, it's about to write a program to calculate the circle along the circumference, then print it on console screen. Alright, so how we gonna solve this problem? But let's say that the user insert C, circumference, and the input it was 20, the output should be 31.83. The math or how we should to do this process to get the circumference area or the circle along the circumference. Area equal C circumference squared, C squared, or C to the power of 2 divided 4 multiplied by C to the power of 2 divided 4 multiplied by. So now let's go on Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this math into code according to the calculation properties. Let's go to Visual Studio, please. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 19, is to calculate the circle area along the circumference, then print it on console screen. How are we gonna solve this problem? First, we have this function real circumference. It's same like the previous functions in the previous problems, but we changed the name. And please insert the circumference of the circle, store inside the C, the value that you'll take it from the user to the console screen. All right, and after that, you return the C. And here we create another function. We name it calculate circle area by circumference. Look to the name of the function is descriptive name. So right, don't say it's long, it's big, name it like this. Create this value after you understand the function from its name. All right, so let's open it. What we have inside it, also like the previous problems, but we change the logic. Const float by equal 3.14 is same like previous problems, and float area equal pow, which is stand for power, pow, C to the power of 2 or C squared divided, open brackets, put 4 multiplied by, and don't forget to put 4 multiplied by between two brackets. If you forget to put 4 multiplied by between two brackets, the compiler will do the pow and divide by 4, after that multiply it by pi, so you will get a wrong results. All right, you have to write the math in the code or into code in this way, and after that you return area, and we have this print result like previous problems. Let's open it. The circle area by circumference is equal the area. And here in the main function, once we did run, compiler go to read circumference, take it, after that calculate it, and after that print it. Let's do run to figure out. Perfect. Once we did run, the compiler display for us, please insert the circumference of circle. Let's say 20. The answer should to be the circle area by circumference is 31.83. So that was the solution of problem number 19. It was about to calculate the circle area along the circumference and then print it across the screen. That was the problem of today. See you next problem, next lesson. Ciao.